So we had talked about the engineering that Cobalt provides for your application of the Unico system. Part of that is to ensure when we receive the plan in PDF or CAD, we are going to first inspect and see the mechanical closet area that the architect or designer has outlined. We are then going to do our BTUs. We're going to know what size air handler. As an example, the one behind Mickey, that is a 3642. It will handle between 3 and 4 tons of capacity on cooling. That unit sits on a mixing box perfectly sized for the free area of return we need for that air handler. So what Mickey is going to describe now, 2 things. We need to make sure that that mechanical closet can accommodate our air handler and however many return air ducts we need to bring in. And even though this is 5 feet long, 99 out of 100 of the mixing boxes are cut to the proper length based on the mechanical closet. Now, if we have a challenge, as we did a couple times ago, we actually had the designer extend the closet a little deeper. Remember Clint up in South Carolina? But they are more than happy to accommodate it, but it is very important. If we're doing the design, one of the first things we're going to make sure is that mechanical closet is sized right to bring the proper amount of return, have the right supply, and have the right size mixing box.
Thank you, Sean. At this point, now that we know what the size of our mechanical room is, what they've given us for space, now we have our mixing box. This is a 30-inch by 10-inch box that's going to go underneath this air handler. And what I have done is drawn out for you this outside blue line all the way around is the exact size of the air handler. I have it drawn so that this is the opening, this is the front of the air handler that would be serviced, and it's blowing out probably towards a doorway so it can be easily serviced. The other thing that we've done is we've drawn this interior square. This will get cut out. This goes away because underneath this air handler is where that return air is going to go inside of the air handler from the mixing box. Now, this box itself is 5 feet long from the factory, from the metal fabrication factory that we get it from. What I'm probably going to have to do, that I have to do on most mechanical rooms, is cut this down, maybe cut it down to 4 feet. That's going to leave me this other space that I have over here for the return duct work that's either coming from the first floor, the second floor, third floor, whatever the case may be. This is where this is going to be coming in. It could also be coming in on a hole that I cut on the other side of this that's over a floor. Let's say, for example, if this air handler is on the second floor mechanical room, then I'm going to have a return that hopefully can be directly below this, and I can cut a hole in here on the opposite side of this. So this has many functions, multi-purposes for getting that return air mixed, which is very, very important for our system to work properly and efficiently.